Bonjour à tous, hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to conjugate the verb aller. The verb aller is an important verb for you to know as a starter. Aller means to go. So at the end of this video, you should be able to conjugate the verb aller. That means the verb to go. You should be able to say, I am going somewhere. You are going, he or she is going, we are going, they are going in French. Are you ready to learn? Allons-y, let's go. Le verbe aller. Je vais. Tu vas. Il va. Elle va. Nous allons. Vous allez. Ils vont. Elles vont. Let's say it together now. Je vais. Tu vas. Il va. Elle va. Nous allons. Vous allez. Ils vont. Elles vont. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to form a sentence on the verb aller. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you in the next video. Au revoir. Bye.